Welcome. All right, so what we have is the center is at 3, 4, our vertex is at 3, 10, and our co-vertex is at -5, 4. And what we want to do in this case is write the equation of the ellipse. Now, to write the equation of the ellipse, we need to know is the horizontal axis, is the major axis horizontal or is it vertical? So to do that, what we need to do is first plot our information and identify where the major axis is going to be. So I'm just going to plot the information on a graph and just kind of label it. So they say the center is at 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our center. One of our vertices is at 3, 10. So 1, 2, 3, up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And our co-vertice is at -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. OK, now remember that the center, the vertices, and the foci all have to lie on the major axis. So since you can see through in the center of the vertice, you can see I'm creating a vertical line. And I'm going to have to create another vertice. But actually, I really don't have to create another vertice because the only information we're going to look for is A, which is just the distance from the center to the vertice. But just knowing that, but just looking at what I've plotted, I can see that here is going to be my major axis. Obviously, when I connect, if I went all the way down. And then here is my minor axis. OK? Because it'd be co-vertice, and then there's another co-vertice over here. There's another vertice down here. And that's going to create your major axis. But so therefore, you can see the major axis is vertical. So therefore, I'm going to use the equation for a vertical major axis, which would be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared all over. Since it's vertical, b squared is going to be under my x, and a squared is going to be under my y. So now what I need to do is simply plot in the information. Now remember, our center is in the form of h, k. And the distance from the center to my vertice, or one vertice, or one vertex, is going to be a. So a is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then b is equal from the distance to my center to one of my co-vertices, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And obviously, you could just use some algebra and subtract those if you'd like to. But now I know all my information. Remember, the formula is x opposite of h, y opposite of k. So now I can just plug that in. So it's going to be x minus 3 squared all over b squared, which is 64, plus y minus k, y minus 4 squared all over a squared, which is 36, and then equals 1. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you write the equation of an ellipse. Thanks. Okay.